This is a male-dominated industry, and I saw a good few girls around, and at the end of the day, I feel it doesn't matter who you are or what you are. If you're in the job and you have an interest, your voice is just as important. My name is Wiers. I drive trucks, ride horses, and sing country.
On stage and the roads where I want to be.
I'm busy. I'm flat to the mat like a badger on a bypass, as they say. It all ties in together: country music, trucks, horses. It's sort of all a lifestyle, really. Well, I went protesting out of two boots, literally, as a truck driver, but also as an individual. If the haulage sector doesn't get the right care and looking after, I could lose my job. But I also went in as an individual who has to put petrol in her car to get to work. And, we've heating oil in the house, we've an old house, we don't have the new pumps and the new system, so we're reliant on that. We just feel like what they gave us was more like throwing breadcrumbs at chickens and hoping that we might be happy. We feel that we still need to keep on pressure. Exactly how we can do this without disrupting things too much, I'm not exactly sure.
Put on my boots and grab my coat.
In the truck, you're on your own all day, and that sort of suits me. I like that. And I like being out and about. I like being on the road. The guys that I've been working with, no matter where I go, what sites, they're so lovely to me, and they only love to see it. I mean, of course, split second, they'll look at you going, is she able to do this? And the minute they see that you are, they're all about you, and so once you are good at what you do and confident, you will have no problem, no matter who you are or what you are in the job.
I do it for